Hi, I'm Rob Delory. I'm not a realtor, but if I were, I probably would be talking about different neighborhoods and more than just the listings themselves. So I'm up here in Franklinton, North Carolina, and one of the things that I like about this area is that the yards themselves are so big. That's mainly due to the fact that they have septic up in this area rather than sewer. What you generally find are larger yards, houses that are on plots of land that are bigger than a postage stamp, basically. Now, what I really like about this particular neighborhood here, happens to be my neighborhood. It's Windsor Estates. It's about 50 houses, but what I really find attractive is when they went ahead and they built this, they didn't have to clear cut the entire area. So what that does is it provides a lot of trees in the area. And even though this house is only 4 years old, it looks like it's a well-established neighborhood. Even the other houses in the area have lots of trees, and I find this just to be very attractive. So if you are considering moving or buying a house, I'd love for you to go ahead and just give me a shout out and contact me. I'd be happy to go ahead and set up a few showings for you. Thanks.